Hey guys, it's Taylor here from Navi-Solutions, and this is our video tutorial on how to update your MJ or MJE series Nissan head unit. These are very commonly found in models such as the 40S Leaf, the 20S X-Trail, March S, and a few other models such as Serena, Note and Elgrand, as well as a couple of vans like the NV350 and the NV200. Our process for updating this is you let us know your model number, which you can find on the top right edge of the bezel. Once that's been done, we'll send you a file you can extract and drag and drop onto a formatted SD card. You can insert the SD card here in the stereo behind the screen, top left button to open it. First of all, we might do a little trick, change the language to English. These ones allow you to change it in the settings, they still have fairly limited functionality. Once we can read what we're doing, we can open this up and pop our new SD card that we've made up into the stereo unit. There we go to System Settings, and to the bottom right we've got Other Settings. Next one is Menu exclusively for sales out. Let's just go through to that and then go Update Maps. Press the Update Map Data button and click OK. It's going to prepare the update now. As you can see here, we have the update screen flashing away. I've forwarded this on a bit so that we can cut to the chase. Takes around about 7 or 8 minutes in my experience. Once that's done, the stereo will reboot. It'll bring up a Nissan loading screen, and once it reboots, you'll have to do a couple more things to activate this product. You'll be able to have a little bit of a play prior to activation, but to actually set it up correctly, some of the features won't allow you to change them until you've actually activated it. So we go to the special menu and click software information, and you'll see a QR code. Take a photo of that and send it via WhatsApp or email to us. We'll decode it and send you a key file that you can drag and drop directly onto that SD card once you've extracted the folder it comes in. Make sure it's dragged onto the root folder of the SD card, and then you can take the SD card out of the computer and put it back in the stereo. Pop it in there, close the door. Now your stereo will be activated. You may want to run a reboot cycle, turn it off and on again, and after about 2 or 3 minutes it should have fully activated and you'll have full functionality, including things like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The user interface will also look a lot nicer and a bit more vibrant in colour. As you can see here, now it looks quite different. We can then go into the back end and set up things such as local time zone, so you can set it via GPS sync or manually. As you can see here, we're in New Zealand, so we've got 1:44 PM on the screen here. A couple of options for displaying the time, including a compass. In the settings as well, you can do things like set up your reverse camera. Sometimes the reverse camera has a prompt that you need to make it interrupt the screen, so you can go into that setting and change that, then you pop it in reverse, it'll pop back up. And from the before and after, you can see here it's a major update for a minimal amount of money. So if you're interested in getting one of these, check out our website navisolutions.com or email us at sales@navisolutions.com. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Always a pleasure.